Hello dear students, in this video we are going to understand one poem from our Beehive book, poem number 8 on killing a tree, written by Giv Patel. Giv Patel is an Indian poet and playwright. On Killing a Tree was one of the poems of his poetry collection named Poems, published in 1966. Most of Patel's poems center on the human body. On Killing a Tree too is one such poem. In this poem, the poet symbolizes a deep-rooted evil. He says that a tree can't be killed out just by hacking and chopping it. To put it to a permanent end, it should be uprooted entirely and left out to wither in the sun. In the same way, the social evil can't be put out just by criticizing them. The society should root them up to die forever. On Killing a Tree is a scathing criticism of human cruelty in chopping down trees for agriculture, urbanization, and industrialization. The poem conveys the message that trees are living beings, just like any other form of life. They have strong survival instincts and can withstand any type of crisis. It is not easy to kill them, for they have a never say die attitude to life. Every time they are attacked or injured, they heal themselves and regain their glory. However, if they are uprooted and left in the air and the sun, they die. We human beings must live just as trees do. The poet says that if we wish to kill a tree, it takes a lot of time. A simple job of the knife can't kill a tree. A tree grows up by getting food and other nutrients from the earth. It absorbs sunlight, air, and water for years and becomes very strong. If we try to hack and chop it, it does not feel much pain. Its bleeding bark heals very soon. Small twigs begin to shoot up from it and soon they become very big and strong. The poet says that the real strength of a tree lies in its roots. If we want to kill a tree forever, its roots should be pulled out completely. They should be left in open to withering in sun and choke in the air. Thus, after a long process of changing shapes and colors, we can say that a tree is killed. कवि कहते हैं कि यदि हम एक वृक्ष को मारना चाहते हैं तो इससे बहुत अधिक समय लग सकता है। साधारण चाकू के प्रहार से वृक्ष को मारना संभव नहीं है। वृक्ष धरती से भोजन और अन्य पोषक तत्व प्राप्त करते हैं। वह सूर्य के प्रकाश, हवा और जल से अधिक शक्तिशाली हो जाते हैं। यदि हम उन पे प्रहार करते हैं तो वो खुद को जल्दी ही ठीक कर लेता है। पोएट कहते हैं कि वृक्षों की असली ताकत उसकी जड़ों में होती है। अगर हमें वृक्षों को काटना है तो हमें उनको जड़ों से उखाड़ के, जो धरती के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, उखाड़ के बाहर फेंक देना है और पूरे वृक्ष को धूप में रख के उसको सुखाना है जिससे कि वो मर जाए। It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple job of the knife will do it. It was grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. Here, job means sudden rough blow. Leprous hide means discolored bark. It tells us that killing a tree is not easy. It is very time consuming. A job of a knife is not enough. A tree grows straight out the earth, nourishing itself on the nutrients found in the earth, along with years of sunlight, water, and air, and even through the bark looks irregular and scaly, leaves and branches sprout of it. हमें एक बात की जानकारी मिलती है कि पेड़ को मारना आसान नहीं है। यह बहुत समय लेने वाली प्रक्रिया होती है। चाकू के प्रहार से आप किसी भी वृक्ष को, आप किसी भी पेड़ को नहीं मार सकते हो। क्यों? क्योंकि पेड़ सीधे पृथ्वी से बाहर निकलता है, जो पृथ्वी पर पाए जाने वाले पोषक तत्वों के साथ साथ सूर्य के प्रकाश, पानी और हवा के वर्षों तक पोषक तत्व प्राप्त करता है। पेड़ की छाल हमें रफ लगती है, लेकिन उसकी जो जड़ें हैं वो धरती के साथ जुड़ी हुई है। उसकी जड़ों में ताकत है कि वो अगर कहीं से कट जाए तो वो खुद ही अपना इलाज कर सकती है, वो खुद ही ठीक हो सकती है। So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, miniature boughs, which if unchecked will expand again to former size. Hack means cut roughly by striking heavy blows. The hack of a knife or an axe or chopping off a bough is not enough to bring a tree down. These jobs may inflict pain on the tree, but the pain is not enough to kill it. The bleeding bark, the part where it has been wounded or where a bough is chopped off, will heal with time. New green twigs will grow again. Boughs chopped off will be replaced by new boughs, which will grow into their former size. चाकू या कुल्हाड़ी से प्रहार का पेड़ पे कोई असर नहीं होता है। इससे उनको दर्द होता है, लेकिन इससे उनको मारना संभव नहीं है। जो हिस्सा प्रहार के कारण घायल हो जाता है, वो हिस्सा कुछ समय के अंतर दरमियान ठीक हो जाता है और वहाँ पे दूसरी टहनियाँ उगने लगती है और वो फिर से अपने पूर्व आकार में आ जाता है। Now the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be robbed, tied, and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely, out from the earth cave and the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. Here, anchoring earth means trees are held securely with the help of the roots in the earth. Snapped out means chopped out. The poet says that in order to kill the tree, it has to be uprooted. One has to separate the tree from the earth, which supports it. The roots of the tree bind the tree with the soil in the pit of the earth. From there, the most sensitive and hidden part of the tree, the roots, have to be detached. The roots are white in color and are damp. पोएट कहते हैं कि पेड़ को मारने के लिए उसे उखाड़ना पड़ता है। जब तक पेड़ को पृथ्वी से अलग नहीं किया जाएगा तब तक वो नहीं मरेगा। पेड़ की जड़ें पृथ्वी में गढ़ी हुई है, इसलिए पेड़ को धरती से अलग करना होगा, उसे उखाड़ना होगा। पेड़ की जड़ें सफ़ेद रंग की होती है और उसमें नमी होती है। Then the matter of scorching and choking in sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. Scorching and choking means the drying up of the tree after being uprooted. It means once the tree has been uprooted, then gradually it withers and dries up with the action of heat and wind. The trunk will become brown, twist and will harden. Finally, the tree will die this way. एक बार जब पेड़ उखड़ जाता है तो धीरे धीरे यह सूख जाता है और गर्मी और हवा की क्रिया से सूखने पे वो मर जाता है। Here we have come to an end. Thank you very much guys. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye.